Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we want to solve the following problem. In triangle ABC, angle ABC equals theta and angle BCA equals 30 degrees. Point D lies on BC such that BD equals DC. If angle ADC equals 45 degrees, the goal is to find theta. And now for the solution. Extend CA beyond A to point P such that angle CPB equals 90 degrees. Join D to P. Now, consider triangle BCP and segment DP. Angle PBC equals 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 30 degrees, which equals 60 degrees. In right triangle BCP, cosine 60 degrees equals BP over BC. Since BD equals DC, D is the midpoint of BC, so BC equals 2BD. With cosine 60 degrees equals half, we get BP over 2BD equals half. Therefore, BP equals BD. Since BP equals BD, triangle BDP is isosceles with a vertex angle of 60 degrees. Thus, triangle BDP is equilateral. Hence, DP equals BP equals BD, and angle BDP equals 60 degrees. Since DP equals DC, triangle DCP is isosceles, so angle CPD equals angle DCP equals 30 degrees. Next, consider triangle APD and segment BC. Angle PDA equals 180 degrees minus 60 degrees minus 45 degrees, which equals 75 degrees. Then angle DAP equals 180 degrees minus 30 degrees minus 75 degrees, which equals 75 degrees. Since angle PDA equals angle DAP equals 75 degrees, triangle APD is isosceles, so AP equals DP. Next, consider right triangle APB. Since BP equals AP, triangle APB is isosceles. Thus, angle PBA equals 180 degrees minus 90 degrees divided by 2, which equals 45 degrees. Finally, consider equilateral triangle BDP. Angle PBD equals theta plus 45 degrees. But each interior angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Thus, theta plus 45 degrees equals 60 degrees. Therefore, theta equals 15 degrees, which is the answer. This marks the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching and see you all next time.